I researched top creators, analyzed channels, and wrote viral scripts in minutes using just one tool. This is Sandcastles AI, an all-in-one platform for finding creators, analyzing channel performance, and turning those insights into stronger hooks and scripts. I tested it myself using the $5 trial plan, and in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to research the horror story niche and use that research to come up with viral hooks and scripts. You'll also find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Start by signing into Sandcastles AI and enter your niche like horror stories. Once you're inside, head over to the Channels tab on the left under Configure. Before working on the hook or writing the actual script, we first need to understand what's already performing in this niche. So, we'll start by building a watch list of relevant channels. Since we're using the trial plan, we won't get niche-specific channel suggestions automatically. Instead, go to the Describe tab and search for the niche manually. Type short horror stories and add filters to narrow down the results. You can filter by platform, channel size, and other available options. For this video, I'll set the channel size to medium and run the search. Sandcastles will then find channels that match our criteria, review the results, and add the most relevant channels to your watch list. With our watch list ready, we can move to the next step and analyze their top-performing videos. Next, head over to the Videos tab under Research. This is where we'll find high-performing videos and study what's working before writing our own script. You can narrow down the results using filters like channels, keywords, outlier score, views, and engagement rate. For this video, I'll set the outlier score to 1, the engagement rate to 2, and use horror as the keyword to find relevant top-performing videos from the last 30 days. Once the results appear, you can open any video in a new tab, watch it, and decide whether its style is relevant to what you want to create. When you find a good reference, click Analyze. Within a few seconds, Sandcastles will process the video and add its analysis to the Ideas tab. Each analysis costs 1 credit, so for this video, we'll analyze just 2 videos. Now head over to Ideas. Here, you'll get a breakdown of each video's content positioning, storytelling format, hook alignment, and even new ideas you can build from the original concept. For a deeper breakdown, click Go to Analysis. Here, you can review the summary, idea analysis, and hook structure in more detail. If you find a hook format you like, save it for later. You can also organize the analyzed video inside a project folder. To view your saved hooks, open the Hooks tab under Research. You'll find hooks from both your current and previous analyses, giving you a library of proven structures you can reference when writing. Once you find the hook you want to work with, click Turn to Script to attach it as a reference for the next step. Now that we've researched the niche and analyzed a few high-performing videos, it's time to turn those insights into a script. Each new script costs 1 credit, while further edits don't use additional credits. Go to Script under the Create section. You'll see the analyzed video already attached as a reference. From here, explain how you want Sandcastles to use that reference and describe the new story or direction you have in mind. Within a few seconds, Sandcastles will generate the script. One limitation I noticed during testing is that the first output can stay quite close to the original video's concept, so I wouldn't recommend using it as is. Instead, treat the first generation as a starting point. Give Sandcastles your own characters, story direction, setting, and twists. Then keep refining the script until the final version is clearly your own. For this video, I'll take the initial concept in a different direction and turn it into a new horror story while keeping the hook and storytelling principles we identified during research. Once you're satisfied with the script, click Download and it's ready to use in your video. Finally, let's quickly talk about the pricing. If you just want to test the platform first, there's a $5 trial plan with 10 credits. These credits can be used for actions like video analysis and script generation, so you can test the core workflow before committing to a monthly plan at $49 per month, giving you 100 credits along with content personalization. Overall, Sandcastles AI can help creators find high-performing content, study viral hooks and ideas, and speed up the research and script writing process. The main thing to remember is that you shouldn't simply copy what already works. Use the research and analysis as a foundation, then add your own ideas and direction to create something original. So try out Sandcastles AI using the discount link in the description, and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.